In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the RedotPay crypto debit card to spend your cryptocurrency just like you would with fiat. So first, what you need to do is understand that with the RedotPay card, you can load it with crypto and then use either their virtual or physical card for everyday purchases. I'll share my full experience of using it in a real-world transaction. This service is not available in certain countries, so pause the video here to check the list and see if you're eligible. Once you've confirmed availability, download the app, create your account, and complete verification. The process is straightforward. You simply upload a photo of your driver's license, Idaho, or passport. If you're in a supported country, your account will be approved quickly. Inside the app, you'll also receive a free $5 bonus, so click the link in the description to get started. To activate your virtual card, you'll first need to fund your account with crypto. I personally sent some Bitcoin to my wallet and it arrived within about 5 minutes. With the funds available, I was able to pay for and activate my virtual card by entering a billing address. After activation, I added the card to Apple Wallet, viewed the virtual details, and used it to shop online. I tested it by ordering a protein shake through a food delivery app. The transaction went through without any issues, and I received a notification confirming it. Everything worked seamlessly, and here's the protein shake that was delivered. Based on my experience, I definitely recommend this app. If you'd like to try it yourself, use the link in the description to sign up and claim your free $5 bonus. Thanks for watching.